Where them there now? I'm gonna come with chop. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my people. I greet you. Please let's share this. Let's share this live. I want to say something, but I need some people to come in first. I need some people to come in. I want some people to come in. This is Spanner. I welcome you, my people. Please tap share the live. Make it go viral. I will be doing giveaway from next week. I don't have much this week, but from next week I'll be doing giveaway to my fans, the loved ones, those that are supporting. So I thank you guys. I love you guys. My brother don't come out. Make una dey follow this my Spanner FD. Now this Spanner FD be my main page, I beg. That Spanner trail, oh my god. That one is just a profile, I never knew. Share the life. Share the life. Share the life. I want to know if I can accept those way. It's not adding. It's not adding. It's not. I don't know why I need to accept. Maybe whether the fault from my phone, no. I use my phone, no. I don't know why this thing is not adding. Who is ready? Who is ready to compete with me? Food challenge. DM my location. Are you ready to do food challenge with Spanner? Who is ready to do food challenge with Spanner? I'm trying to accept those that are requesting for video for the call, but it's not working. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, connection failed. Please share this live. Please share this live. Well, I'm right. That name. Tell me the jar. Bring the pot for me.
Doesn't inside it.
Bring up. The pot of stew.
Okay, the stew.
And the pot of that pot, two of them. And what about the phone? How can they just give me small food to eat as Is it lunch or breakfast? I'm trying to accept you guys, but it's not working. Please share this video. Share this live. Bring the food now. Bring the food now. Nonsense. Don't play with. Share. You people are leaving. That's what they do here. I'll be posting by 5 o'clock this evening. That video mad. The video makes sense. You guys will love it. Please, just be noted. You say English not my mate. I don't go to school. So I was speak my English. I better take another job. The only school I go is school of food. School of food. In our school, what do you teach us for school now? Now food. If you come late for school, they go give you like 4 fufu. That time we did tender. If you come late, they give us like 3 fufu to finish it within 5 minutes. Then back then in school, now that kind of school I go. So me now, I love food. As I love food, I love going late to school. Waiting because I dey wake up by 10:30. When I take go to school, say around that kind to 12 in the afternoon. Just guess how many fufu they go give. That is just the strategy. So I love you guys. All my fans, all my lovers, all my well-wishers, all my supporters. God will bless you all. And now the support now, so heaven will support now. I will be doing giveaway very soon by the special grace of God. My own giveaway go loud. I don't come to make money chop alone. I come to make money so that it go circulate. So let's do it with one love by supporting others, each other. Support me with your follower and comment and share. If they take mature, everybody go enjoy. That's the kind of person I am. So I love you guys. You guys that support me. You guys made me. I don't know what to say, but I love you guys. Like I was saying, I'm posting this evening The video I want to post this evening, I'm mad. The story is sweet. The story mad. I not just based on only eating food alone. At least if I eat food, I give it another character. I don't know how you guys see it. I just want to be versatile in all characters so that I will make you guys, entertain you guys, make you guys happy every blessed day. Understand? Let me tell you what they do now. Longer truth. Every day. If you keep watching one thing, it is that person now. For my own understanding, I don't know for others, but just that's my own way of thinking. Like I reason and say, yes, I'm not supposed to be doing just only food challenge. Yeah, these people, then they are following me for me to entertain them. If I just they chop only food, you know, make sense. This video I want to drop this evening, I go log by 5 o'clock. For my village, we know they waste food though. For our village, we dey use tongue. They clean plate. Wash and go then eat. So guys, I love you guys. I love you all. All my supporters, all my well wishers. I love you all. I love you all. So I'll be dropping video this evening. Please help me share this video. Help me share this live. Help me share this live. Help me share this live. Spanner is coming up. I'm coming in another way of English. Which kind of one like this? And now they know the value of that, and I suppose they go to school on time. Mom, they'll give me food as punishment. My mind there for the food. So what I want to talk? I love you guys all. You people are my people. You people are my family. So Spanner cares. Please share this video. Invite your friends to follow me. Support with all you can. By the special grace of God, very soon now, our page now go there mature. Then all of now where they support me, when I go to partake. I promise. Me I no be that kind of person. No. Onyo as no nye yanye. In Igbo land, if God gives you, you give out. So that's it. So you people are my everything. And I love you all. I appreciate you guys for following me, for supporting me, for trusting me, for believing and commenting, share. Oh God, I don't know what's not going to talk. For those who they request for this video, I don't know why it's not they connect to. I don't just know why it's not connecting. Like oh, my love for food. Because of food, I never get girlfriend though. I never even get serious date. Ha! Spanner. Please, my fans, Shebi, I need prayer. Abi. Talk to me, oh. I need prayer. They say the love of money is root of all evil. Fine, we know that one. What of the love of food? Is it root of waiting? The love of food, is it root of life? I want to know if the love of food is root of life. Because me, I love food, but another thing. Don't play food. If you get waiting past food, don't give me like you just be like this now. If you get waiting past happiness, no give me. So if you get waiting past food and happiness, no give me. Because food will motivate happiness in you. If you don't be person who chop, then they happy. What you just say be big man? Hey, this person not a big man. Now when you chop belly full, now you be big man. I don't know how other people they take see their own. Now when you chop belly full, now you be big man. Me if I see food like this for my front, it dey be like me. I dey see myself like, and I go imagination go won't kill me. I go see a big Cubana, they call me na food. That food they give me the imagination. So food is part of life. So what I want to ask something. Drop it in the comment question. They say root of money is, oh my God. The love of money is root of all evil. The love of food is the root of all waiting. Come on now. So I love you guys. I'm going out now. I go still enter another live before I post my video. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and you guys are my number one. So from next week, we'll be doing giveaway. No matter how small it is, just accept it and appreciate it with faith, and bigger one will come. And you go still circulate. I love you guys. One love. Make I drink water. Because some people say you dey chop, you need to drink water. Shalom. One love, my people. One love. Spana cares. Guys, we just shut it down. We shut some pots of food down now. So let me go and hustle and feed the pot again. So I can still shut it down again. Because you cannot feed pot without shutting it down. When we cook for pot, at the microwave for my belly, them know. And now my people, I love you. Now, person where they add, they try make accept. It's working. Onala I connect. I'm not even me. Phone they use over phone. Don't talk phone. He's not going to connect. So I want to go off now. I love you people, my people, my people, my people, my people, my fellow foodies. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. I dey try accept too, but it's not working. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. It's not working. It's not working.
Okay, what is the line? This is not the line you normally use to call me. I hear you. Fine, no, they're fine. I wanted to pick it. I wanted to pick it. The thing calls. And I said, let me pick it. It just got the call. So I was like, I don't know. And I don't know the person is calling me. So I like, I know what I'm talking about. I pick this thing. I did for kitchen, I did easy.